to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. After 4 months of filming, the Focus Pictures are formally wrapped on the primary season of the K-drama mystery My Name. We are maintaining tune of the entirety you want to recognize approximately about My Name, which includes the plot, cast, trailers and Netflix launch date. My Name is an upcoming South Korean Netflix original crime mystery which is directed with the aid of using Kim Jin-min and written with the aid of using Kim Bada. Subscribers will already be acquainted with the paintings of directors Kim Jin-min as he formerly directed the Netflix original collection Extracurricular. The manufacturing studio at the back of this interesting mystery is Fleet Co Limited, which additionally became accountable for the productions of Lucky Romance, My Sassy Girl and Another Child. According to the facts indexed on the My Name IMDb Pro page, filming started on March 20th of 2021 and lasted for over 4 months, finishing on July 28th of 2021. My Name is in post-manufacturing for you to ultimate at least some months if the collection continues to be anticipated to be launched in 2021. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Multiple assets have indexed My Name for a 2021 launch. However, we are nonetheless anticipating affirmation from the streaming service, Netflix. Filming has concluded and the collection is post-manufacturing, which means that at the earliest we will anticipate peering My Name Season 1 on Netflix in November or December of 2021. Subscribers might be glad to examine that each episode of My Name might be had to move upon launch. We are nonetheless anticipating affirmation on the entire episode count. My Name is set by a lady who joins a prepared crime ring and infiltrates the police as a secret agent to discover the fact about her father's death. Yoon Ji-woo, a member of the prepared crime ring who is going undercover as a police officer and harbors bloodless revenge in her heart. Choi Moo-jin, the boss of Dong Cheon-pa, the most important drug ring in Korea. He enables Yoon Ji-woo to pass undercover in diverse methods. However, these authentic reasons are not clean to read. Jeon Pildo, a police detective with inside the drug investigation unit, is a stickler for guideline who will become Yoon Ji-woo's associate whilst she joins the police. Cha Gi-ho, the group chief of the director drug investigation unit, and Choi Moo-jin have lengthy been enemies, with Cha Gi-ho vowing to take down the crime ring earlier than he retires. Jung Tae-ju, Choi Moo-jin's subordinate with inside the drug ring, and because of the steadfast loyalty, he is Choi Moo-jin's maximum dependent henchman. Do Kang-jae, a former member of the drug ring, inflicts issues and gets kicked out of the gang and vows to take revenge towards them. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our videos then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.